Looking to find suppliers for your Amazon products? In this quick JungleScout guide, I'll show you how this powerful tool can help you identify reliable suppliers for your products in no time. If you're new to JungleScout, don't worry. I'll guide you through the essentials and give you the best tips to get started. First things first, JungleScout isn't just a product research tool. It's also great for finding suppliers. To begin, head to the supplier database feature. Here, you'll get access to millions of products already being shipped globally. It's a goldmine if you're looking to connect with suppliers that meet your specific needs. Once you're in the supplier database, use the search filters to refine your results. Start by entering the product category you're interested in. If you already have a product in mind, search by its name, or you can search by HS code to find products in a very specific category. This is a great way to ensure you're targeting the right market. After filtering, you'll see detailed results for suppliers, including key information like their location, shipment volume, and ratings. This data is crucial for narrowing down the suppliers who are already successful at delivering the kind of products you're considering selling. It's a powerful feature that makes the process much quicker compared to browsing through endless pages of suppliers. Next, you'll want to evaluate the supplier's history and performance. JungleScout allows you to see their track record with Amazon sellers, which means you can make informed decisions based on past success rates. Look at their customer feedback and any product reviews. If they've been consistently reliable, that's a good sign you can trust them with your business. JungleScout also provides insights into their pricing, so you can compare different suppliers and figure out which one gives you the best deal. This helps you stay competitive with your Amazon pricing, while ensuring you maintain good margins. One of the best features is the supplier comparison tool. This lets you compare multiple suppliers side by side to see which one offers the best deal in terms of product quality, pricing, and shipping options. It's an essential feature that saves you time and helps you make better decisions. And here's a huge advantage for those of you just starting out. JungleScout offers a comprehensive directory of suppliers for all product types. Whether you're into private label, wholesale, or direct to consumer, you'll find suppliers who cater to your specific business model. This flexibility is perfect for entrepreneurs at any stage of their journey. Now, I know you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but what about cost? Well, you're in luck. You can try JungleScout completely for free with the exclusive link in the description below. That's right. You get access to the supplier database and everything else JungleScout has to offer at no cost, with exclusive bonuses. Trust me, you'll want to take advantage of this extended free trial. As you start your search, don't rush. Take the time to evaluate different suppliers and use the tools within JungleScout to make sure you're choosing the best option for your Amazon business. With the right supplier, your product journey will be much smoother. So, to recap, JungleScout's supplier database helps you identify the best suppliers for your Amazon products, evaluate their performance, and compare options, all in one place. Plus, with our exclusive extended free trial, you can explore everything JungleScout offers at no cost. Don't miss out on the chance to scale your business with the right suppliers. Check the first link in the description to start your free trial today.